Now I'm going to wipe it down. You guys won't even recognize it after. So, new spark plug, sharpened blade, new air filter. I'm going to just oil the wheels lightly. I'll just let that drain. And I just use old transmission fluid that, okay, it's not old. And we'll be right back. Now, the absolute perfect way to oil a wheel is to take it off and oil the shaft. But I guarantee you that this little, whoops, see it spills a bit, this tiny bit of transmission fluid will work its way around. Oh, get on there. There we go. And I don't mind putting a little oil on these gear shifters as well, eh? On the, I'm sorry, not the gear shifters, that's what I call them. The oil height adjuster, the height adjusters, eh? And there's not really, oh, he's got this bolted in pretty tight. What has he done? We got a handyman operation going on here. Okay, might have to look at that. Oh, let's just wipe that off. Take this out. And we'll check the oil. Now on Hondas you don't screw it in, right? And it's right on the full, right there. Double check it. No. Now, the only thing I'm not happy about is there's kind of a jerry rig here on these, right there, on the handles, and over there. Oops, over there, right there. Well, I'm not quite sure what was here originally with the deck and bars. He had this little 1/4 inch guy in there, and they have the square insert like for the carriage bolts like that. So I am just adding 5/16 carriage. It's an MTD frame, so the frame is SAE and the engine's metric. So I'm just adding these cute little 5/16 carriage bolts, and I think that's going to work. You know, you have to kind of use your imagination sometimes. And I just made sure that when they use the bag inserter putter-inner, that yeah, the bag hooks onto those axles right there. So we're good. And there was also the problem with the lock washer on the blade. He had an extra lock washer that ended up inserted inside the blade. And that's about it. I think we're ready. It's got oil, and I'm just going to wipe it down, so next time you see it, oh! There we go, my friends. So when a nice lawnmower comes in, and all they want is a tune-up, and it's running, and you just have to do the basics: air filter, spark plug, blade sharpen, you know, and wheel tightening or whatever, lubing. I like to take it just a little extra further because it's a treat for me to have a lawnmower come in that actually runs. So let's just see if it still does. Once again, thanks for watching.